A Date with Destiny, September 15th, 2024. Mark your calendars. This date will forever be etched in human history. An extraordinary event is predicted. A colossal asteroid, 720 feet in diameter, is projected to collide with Earth. Before you start digging bunkers, let's unpack this cosmic event. The universe is a vast tapestry of celestial objects. Asteroids, rocky remnants from the early solar system, zip around our sun. Occasionally, Earth's orbit intersects with these celestial wanderers. Cosmic Cannonball, a closer look at the asteroid. Picture this, a hunk of space rock, taller than the Leaning Tower of Pisa, hurtling through the cosmos. That's our asteroid in a nutshell. At 720 feet across, it's a behemoth. Imagine the Empire State Building lying on its side. That's its scale. But size isn't the only thing that matters. The speed at which this asteroid is traveling is equally important. Hurtling towards Earth at tens of thousands of miles per hour, it possesses incredible kinetic energy. The sky's dramatic farewell. In the days leading up to September 15th, 2024, the asteroid will become increasingly visible in the night sky. Initially, it will appear as a faint point of light, indistinguishable from the countless stars that dot our cosmos. However, as the asteroid draws nearer, its brightness will intensify, eventually becoming visible even during daylight hours. Imagine a bright star, steadily growing in size and luminosity, cutting a blazing trail across the sky. The sight will be both awe-inspiring and unsettling, a stark reminder of the immense power of the cosmos. Section 4. Ground Zero and Beyond. Assessing the impact. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What happens when this cosmic cannonball collides with Earth? The impact scenario depends on several factors, including the asteroid's composition, angle of entry, and the exact location of impact. However, given its size and speed, we can expect significant regional devastation. An impact of this magnitude would release an immense amount of energy, equivalent to thousands of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate impact zone would be obliterated, with shockwaves radiating outwards, leveling structures, igniting fires, and triggering earthquakes and tsunamis if the impact occurs in or near an ocean. The dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the planet into a state of prolonged darkness and potentially triggering a global winter. Section 5. Preparation for the unthinkable. While the prospect of an asteroid impact might seem like the stuff of science fiction, it's a threat that scientists and governments around the world take very seriously. In the event of an impending impact, early warning systems would provide us with valuable time to prepare and mitigate the potential damage. So, what can we do as individuals to prepare for such an event? First and foremost, stay informed. Follow reputable sources of information, such as NASA and other space agencies, for updates on the asteroid's trajectory and potential impact. Familiarize yourself with your local government's emergency preparedness plans and evacuation routes. Having a plan in place can help alleviate anxiety and ensure that you and your loved ones are as prepared as possible for any eventuality. Section 6. Guardians of our planet, keeping watch. Rest assured, we are not defenseless against these cosmic threats. Scientists around the world are constantly monitoring the skies, tracking potentially hazardous asteroids, and developing strategies to deflect or destroy them before they pose a threat to Earth. From ground-based telescopes to space-based observatories, we have a watchful eye on the cosmos, ready to spring into action should the need arise. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, full of wonder, mystery, and yes, even the occasional cosmic curveball. While the prospect of an asteroid impact might seem daunting, remember that we are not passive observers in this cosmic dance. Through scientific ingenuity, international collaboration, and a healthy dose of cosmic awareness, we can face these challenges head-on and ensure the continued safety and prosperity of our pale blue dot.